Just take a look at this chicken Philly cheese sandwich. Unbelievable. Amazing the way it turned out. It just can't be any better. Look at that. Look at this sandwich. It's falling apart. It's so good. Wow. Wow, and the cheese melted perfectly. Crust. The crispy French roll. Wow. It's just, wow, look at this. Look at that. Wow. That's a sandwich. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today I'm going to make another favorite sandwich of mine, and it's going to be a chicken Philly steak sandwich. Why chicken? Because I'm out of steak and I have chicken. We're going to make it with chicken. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be amazing. Let's go do it. So we're going to start with some diced up chicken, which I seasoned with salt and pepper, mushrooms, green peppers. Here's my bread. I'm going to add some oil, mushrooms, green peppers. Now I'm going to add the chicken. It's only 111 today in Las Vegas, so I'm trying to get this done quick because it's so hot out here. I can't take it how hot it is outside. So here's the pre-cheese version of it. Looks delicious. I'm gonna put a bunch of mozzarella cheese on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Now we're gonna go back in, melt that mozzarella cheese, and knead this amazing sandwich. Alright, as I said before, it's 111 outside and I'm sweating in shade. I mean, it's crazy, crazy hot, but look at his sandwich though. What an amazing sandwich. So let's enjoy the spoils. Wow. Look at that. Chicken Philly. The bread is so crispy and crunchy, it came out beautiful. Chicken is amazing. Couldn't be any better. Outstanding sandwich. Mozzarella cheese really melts well with this chicken. Outstanding sandwich, everybody. I'm gonna run back inside, finish this sandwich, in the comfort of my air-conditioned home. Thank you for stopping by. This is Neil from Parks and Pizza. See you guys in my next video.